Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to try this Skin Perfection Rejuvenating Set. As we all know, rejuvenating sets are quite popular these past few months, and nag-decide na ako na mag-try ng isang rejuvenating set. So I got the Skin Perfection Rejuvenating Set and it looks like this. Nabili ko siya kahapon for 200 pesos sa Cases Iligan. It's actually my first time trying rejuvenating sets and I'm quite nervous if good ba yung effect niya sa face ko. And FYI, I have acne prone and oily skin and I have dark marks all over my face and acne scars. So, if bibilin nyo tong Skin Perfection Rejuvenating Set, makikita nyo sa likod ng box yung direction for use, yung morning routine, and yung night routine. So, for the morning, you have the soap, toner, and the sunblock cream. For the night routine, you have the soap, toner, and the rejuvenating cream. So, sa loob ng box, you have the toner, the rejuvenating cream, the BB cream or the sunblock cream, and lastly, the kojic soap. So, we will do a patch test. Let's get a little. Since yung effect na rejuvenating set is ma-obserbahan lang. In 3 to 4 weeks, I will update you weekly kung ano yung effect niya sa skin ko, if magbe-breakout ba ako or gaganda yung skin ko. So, yep, let's start this. So, today na yung first gamit ko, July 11, ng mga products. And I'll update you guys later. Hihilamos lang ako using this kojic soap. So, I'm back and so this is my face for day 1. So, acne marks, dark spots and all, and acne scars. So, I already washed my face with the kojic soap and it feels a little tight and a little squeaky clean and dry. So, yun naman talaga yung effect ng kojic soap sa face and sa face ko. And yep. So now, I am going to use this rejuvenating toner. Next is the BB cream. So, that's that for the morning routine. Overall, okay naman siya. The soap is, I guess, it's common na yung effects niya is tightening and masyadong dry. But then, for the toner, it's actually stinging to the eye. Stingy. Around the here. Parang a little stingy. And for the BB cream, it's fine. The usual cream you put in your face, not too heavy. So I'll update you guys for the night routine. So, hello guys, so I'm back and it's 11:35 in the evening. I just washed my face and it's extra mahapde around the nose area and here's my face. So now we're gonna use the rejuvenating toner again. And lastly, the rejuvenating cream. The rejuvenating cream is just your usual cream product na spread mo lang siya, and it's actually a little tacky, but I think ma-absorb rin siya maya-maya. So this is my face for day 1. So hello everyone, welcome back to the first week of my rejuvenating set from Skin Potion. So nag 1 week na tayong gumagamit ng rejuvenating set from Skin Potion, and today is Sunday, actually day 8 of my rejuvenating choo-choo in the face. So I'm done now with my night routine, and this is my current face situation. I'm sorry, may sugat kasi ako dito. May clinic ako and naging sugat siya. Yes naman. So this is my current skin situation. Hello everyone, so today is the 4th and last week of trying the Skin Perfection Rejuvenating Set, and I am now going to say the mga final thoughts on the rejuvenating set, kung ano yung effect niya sa face ko. So here's my face for the 4th and last week of using it. So I still have some acne marks around here. So yung 3 pimple marks that I have here, it's still there, but it's actually minimized, significantly minimized. And here, my pimple here is there's still a mark and some marks here. So I just put this yesterday, so don't bother. It's not just, so nakita ko yung effect mostly here around my nose, here my nose, and this part of my cheeks. So it shows that I'm more glowy around here, and I don't have that much blackheads around this area and my nose. So first thing that I have noticed when I used the Skin Perfection Rejuvenating Set is the mahapde na feeling around this area. I guess that's why yung effect niya is around this area, because dito talaga nakikita yung effect niya. The more it's glowy and smoother. So next one is it's drying. So maybe it's because of the kojic soap. I have used the kojic soap from Koji-san 2012 or 2013, and I know na it's really drying on the face. So before na gumamit ako ng rejuvenating set from Skin Perfection, I used the Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser, and I can actually compare the effects after you wash your face. So kojic soap actually really dries up your face and strips off the oil from your face. So the next one is, it really brightens up my skin. So diba we use kojic soap to lighten up your skin, so basically whitening, and I feel that it also gives that effect on my face as I use the rejuvenating set. So one is, hindi ko alam kung ako lang ba or yung face ko lang na hindi siya nagpe-prevent ng acne. So I still get acne now and then, but some are just, I prick them because it's just me. But the rejuvenating set actually dries it up pretty quickly. So I actually read na using kojic soap for a long time is not very good for your skin, because this set, the rejuvenating set, is actually an exfoliating set, so you don't have to exfoliate your face like for a very long time. And so I'm actually going back to my original skincare after 4 weeks of exfoliating using the set. So overall, it was still very effective. I'm impressed sa effect niya. Yup, here around my skin, around my nose and my cheeks. Overall, I will give the Skin Perfection Rejuvenating Set a 4-star rating. It's actually my first time trying rejuvenating sets, so let's settle for 4 stars. So that's all for this video. Let me know if you tried the Skin Perfection Rejuvenating Set and comment down below your thoughts about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.